So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegetable soup. First of all, add in my goat meat, add in pomo, stockfish, and my onion, my yellow fresh pounded pepper, salt and maggi. I also went ahead to add in just 1 spoon of crayfish, and my nchanwu. I know some of you will be asking me what is nchanwu leaf doing in vegetable soup. Don't worry, next time you want to prepare vegetable soup, I urge you to just try this method. Just add in your scent leaf, okay? You will thank me later. So I've already added my periwinkles, so that the maggi, salt, pepper, everything will enter inside. This is my first time actually using periwinkle with the shell to cook. So I already cut in my ugu. I didn't want this video to be that long, so I fast forward it. I already washed up my ugu leaf and my water leaf. So I added my palm oil, my onions. Guys, this soup, if you don't want to put your nchanwu leaf like that, you can as well squeeze the water, but for me I did not because I was so hungry, so I don't have time for that. I'm adding my crayfish and pounded mbasa. Ooh, today my salt, maggi. We have different method of cooking vegetable soup. This is not my regular pattern of cooking vegetable soup, but today I decided to use this pattern. Yes, this is not the normal way I normally use to cook my vegetable soup, but it turns out very nice. I wish you can have a taste. So that is my water leaf I just added, followed by my ugu leaf. As you can see, I've gone ahead to give it a very nice mix. I want everything to mix together. So I brought out the new red oil that I bought. In case if the other one is not enough for me, I will add some more red oil. But I didn't even open the new one because the previous one I have is already okay. Yes, so I have dropped back the red oil. So now I'm adding in all my stock. My goat meat has been parboiled. Well done. Yes, the stockfish, the periwinkle, and the pomo. I'm going to add in my smoked fish at the end. Yes, as you can see, there's no space. Like, come on, no space to dip in your ham. Everywhere choke. Once in a while, I beg, eat good food. Spend in your money and cook very delicious meal, so that it will nourish your body. Yeah. So I went ahead to add in the remaining red oil and the remaining crayfish with the mbasa, also adding some dry pepper because I noticed that the first one I put was not really hot the way I want it. I also went ahead to add in the stock water. Yeah. Now is my smoked fish. The pot is filled up. If you are in Umuahia, come, let's eat. I'm not stingy. Yeah, so I close it, allow it to boil for like 3 minutes. Soup is ready. Come, let's eat. Look at the no final sea soup. Okay. Look at the way I'm packing everything. I make sure that I add in periwinkle, everything. You need to see the way I'm sweating. Oh my god, the way I'm vandalizing this food. I just want to have a taste of that periwinkle to see how it tastes. And everything went inside. I'm eating apple. My first swallow is for that beautiful girl out there. And for my fans. If you have watched till this time, don't just watch and skip. If you are seeing this video from Facebook, please give me a follow. If you are watching this video from my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, comment your thoughts. See you on my next video. Bye bye.